Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure critical data is safe, so back up photos and contacts now and verify the backup works. Once done, free at least 10 to 20% of storage by removing rarely used apps and large downloads. This immediately improves performance. Make sure the phone is charged to 50% or more and on Wi-Fi before major updates. Plug in if an update appears. These steps prevent interruptions and prepare the device for deeper optimization. You now update the operating system and all apps. Installing updates often patches slowdowns and security issues, so reboot afterwards to clear memory. Once restarted, trim background activity by restricting 3 to 5 heavy apps and turning off autoplay for video or media. This reduces CPU and network drain. Also, change account sync to manual or longer intervals, like 30 minutes, to cut constant wake-ups. Together, these steps reduce thermal throttling and extend responsive performance without sacrificing necessary functionality. You finish by selectively clearing app caches. Keep caches for essential apps to retain speed, but clear bloated caches that hog space. Then enable adaptive battery or a performance mode and remove extra widgets and excessive animations to cut GPU load. If the phone still misbehaves, boot into safe mode to identify a problematic app. If necessary, perform a factory reset only after creating a complete backup. One troubleshooting tip: if a reset fails, try an OS reinstall via the manufacturer tool before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.